Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBL Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos we have learned about React 18 and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done using React 18. So today also we are working with React 18 and I'll be telling you how to just build projects using React 18. In this video I will be telling you the different tag using React 18. Like previously we have learned about constructor and we have also learned about hook at a class, use transition hooks and many other things. So we'll be combining that all of stuff and then I will be telling you how to combine that all stuff and how to build a project by combining that all things which we have done yet previously on. So this video will be also really helpful and it will be different from the others video. So remember to see this video from start to end. If you understand this video and enjoy this video, so hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and share this video as well so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. So just now we'll be starting with our video and I'll be telling you how to build this amazing React 18 project using React 18 from start to end. So just like I've telling you, we'll be working with React 18 and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video. In today's video, I'll be telling you what is pure component in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is pure component in React 18 and how to use it. So for using this pure component here, you have to open your VS Code text editor because we are working with this. So here I will be now opening my VS Code, and after opening here, I will be now going to file, and then you have to open the folder here, and then you have to move to desktop, and here I will be now opening the folder because like I was just telling you, we are just getting the folder on our local disk E with the name of F1. This is the folder. Here I'll be pressing select folder to open this. Now we are getting all the files. This is our main file. Now I will be running my React 18 app by writing the code here. So you have to write npm start, press enter. Now you can see it will be taking some time to run, so you have to wait a while till it will be running. I will be raising all these codes because we will be not needing here, so I will be raising this now. And after erasing this, you have to save, and you can see all the codes has been removed because these were the previous videos code and we just not needed that. So now here we'll be starting with our main codes, and just our React app is running. So we will be now working with our pure components. Like previously on we have worked with components, so here in this video I'll be telling you what are the pure components means. Pure components means only one component which is used in whole project. So I'll be telling you what the pure component will be and how we will be using, and how we will be just building the project using the pure component. So you can see now it is running. You can also download the extension of ES7 React Redux, so it will be giving you help if you want to make any of the tags. So it will be not just you have to make whole of the tag, just you have to write the hint of the tag, then press tab or enter, so your tag will be automatically creating. This is the thing which you can just have in ES7 React Redux extension. So you can see now our development service is starting. It is compiled successfully, so here I will be doing it side by side. My default browser is this Google, you can say this Microsoft Edge. Previously my default browser was Google Chrome and just Google Chrome and Opera browser, but then I will just change and I've changed into Microsoft Edge. So you can just learn how to just use a old version browser as a React apps, because some people does not having Google Chrome or they have not space to download Google Chrome, so they can use this Microsoft Edge browser as well, so they can work with their React project. So you can see now we are just getting the div class name and it is totally empty because we have written we have just written nothing. If I write here h1, and in h1 if I write here heading 1 like this, save this, you can see we will be getting the heading 1 written here as well at the left side. You can see we are just getting means it is the pure component here. So this is the not pure component, you can say it is the heading tag here. So I'll be telling you what is the pure component here. So basically the pure component is here, like if I just move here and then if I write a tag which should be like console.log, and in console.log if I write this says hello, and if I just save here directly, now you can see we are getting console.log hello here. So I will be moving down, then I will be making a script tag here. After making a script tag here, I will be doing one thing, like I will be copying the same thing which is written here, then I will be just pasting this thing under the script tag which is written here. So I will be moving down, paste this thing. Now here if I just change this colon, means this one colon to double colon like this, so here like this, now you have to save. You can see now it is not coming. If I just move to inspect, then if I move to console here like this, so you can see here as well we are not getting. But in this console, if you write the same thing console.log, this is hello like this, or you can say I will be changing this tag to hello world. Save. now you can see we are just getting nothing here because now it is not working here as well. So if it is not working, because here if I import script like this, then here I will be writing from, and here you have to write React like this. Here you have to close this tag from here, save this, and then you can see it is not coming here. So if I just move here, then if I write a command here to run my component, this is the pure component console.log, and if I write here console.log, and here if I just write this, you can say hello world, same tag which I have written here in my text editor, press enter, you can see now it is running here, because now our component is being successfully written here as well. And if I just erase this script tag, then if I write this console tag, so you will be seeing that it is coming here, means it is front end, it is not going at the back end here. But here I want to take it to the back end because this is the pure component, and components, or if there are components or pure components or any type of components, they are used at the back end. You can say components have a work on back end. So when I just erase my script tag, here it is showing my console, means my component, or you can say pure component on front end, but I want that it should be at the back end. To want to show it at the back end, just I'll be pressing Ctrl Z to get my script tag back, save this. Now you can see it is not showing because now we have just changed this console.log here at the back end on my development server. So here you can just use like this, and now like this we have just used this pure component here, and by using this pure component we have just learned how to use a pure component at backend and how to build projects using pure component. In coming up videos we'll be also building projects using pure component, but in this video I was telling you how to use pure components and how they use at the backend if we want to use. So just like that you can do. So I hope you understand this video in which I've telling you how to use pure components here. And if you enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can learn my all the future coming up videos. And also just remember to check my previous videos which I have uploaded, because that will also giving you help moving forward. And share this video if anybody want to learn about these things, so they can also learn. So just I'll be meeting next project. So for today, goodbye.